Welcome back to my channel. Let's make this beautiful hanging star today. And a crochet hook for 0.5
The yarn
millimeters
is from the
Lion brand called Antique White. And a crochet hook for 0.5
So
millimeters.
let's start
with the slip knot. And then make 4 chains. Then slip stitch into the very first chain. And then it will create a little hole in here. So little circle space. And we're gonna use this space to insert our hook to make the double crochets. So first insert your hook into the circle and grab the yarn. You have 2 loops, pull through 2 loops together. And then 1 chain. Then again take the yarn over to the circle space. Grab the yarn. And then you have 3 loops on the hook. So pull through first 2 loops. So you have 2 loops left. And take the yarn and through these 2 loops. Then again yarn over through the circle here. Insert your hook. Grab the yarn. So you have 3 loops on the hook. Pull through these 2 first. So we have 2 loops left. Then through these 2. And we're gonna repeat this 7 more times. So we have 3. In total 10 double crochets
So
into
10
the circle space. So yarn over to the circle. Grab the yarn, pull through to end, then the next 2. So then just repeat. So this is the very last double crochet. Can you hear me? And then we're gonna insert our hook into this one. So into the second double crochet. So slip stitch into the top loop of second DC, but into this one. And then make 5 chains. Then into the second chain, into the top
make
loop
a
of
slip
second
stitch.
DC. 2, 3, 4,
Then
and
single
5
crochet
then into the third one. Insert the hook, grab the yarn, and then 2 loops. Pull through 2 loops, then half double crochet into the fourth one. Yarn over in 4th chain. Grab the yarn. So you have 3 loops. So
then
single
pull through
crochet
all
3 loops together, and then double
Then
crochet into
double
the fourth
crochet
one into the last 5th chain. Again AHDC with 3 loops. Pull through the first 2 loops and then the next 2. So then we're gonna skip 1 and make a slip stitch into the second one. So a slip stitch into the second top loops only. So this is the first arm for our star. Then again 5 chains. So insert sew into the top loops only. Into the second chain, slip stitch. Into the third chain, single crochet. 2, 3, 4, and into the
5.
fourth chain, half double crochet. Into the 5th chain, a full double crochet. Then skip 1 and into the second top loop. Make a slip stitch to complete the second arm of our star. Again 5 chains. Slip stitch into the second chain. Single crochet in the third chain. Then half double crochet in the 4th chain. And then full double crochet in the 5th chain. So grab the yarn and through this one, then to 13. Then skip 1 and in top second loop, grab the yarn to loop, then just repeat it 2 more times. So through the 4th chain, grab the entry loop, pull through 3 together. Grab the yarn. So your 3 loops to the first to sew again. Now you have 2 loops. So then the next 2. Then leave 2 at the bottom, sew 1, 2. So this is the rough look of our star. So now we're gonna do the slip stitches for a cleaner look. So let's do it. See this one here, sew through the front loop only. So we're gonna go from here and make a slip stitch. As then from here, so you see this front one, close it off. And make a slip stitch, then again this front one here. So we gonna do one more thing to close up. Make a slip stitch, then through this front one here, and make a slip stitch, then again through this one here. Make a slip stitch, then make one chain here for the pointy shape, and then slip stitch into the same one. For the other side, slip stitch into the back loop only. So see these ones here? So we are going through the back loop only. Slip stitch. And then again you see these ones here. So we gonna go through the front loops only. And then make one chain at the top. You can see that this one looks much better than this one. And again through the back loops only. And now through the front loops only. And at the top you're gonna make one chain, one again through the back loops only. Then just repeat this until the very last one. Here you go. And then through the front loops only. And at the top here, one chain and one more through the back, front loop. And then we're gonna make one chain at the top here. Cut the yarn. And now through different loops through. Please do like and share my video and subscribe to the channel. That will help a lot. So let's do the hanging part on here, on any of these ends here. So insert your hook in the pointy top. Make sure to keep this end a little bit longer. So grab the yarn. And then make one chain. So we're gonna make an I-cord. So the open-ended yarn over the hook and grab the other yarn. And pull through both loops. Again, open-ended yarn and over the hook. And that's how it looks. And then you can be more of the ends. And then through both loops. Over and grab the yarn to both loops, yarn over. Then just repeat it for how long you like it to be. Hair. So we're gonna use this same space for the hanger as well, so on here. So insert the hook from back to the same space where we started the hanging part, and then grab this yarn and bring it back. And grab this one as well. And then pull to tighten it. And then make 2 chains. Cut the yarn and pull the loop. Then make 2 knots to tighten it. And then to the loop yarn over to both loops